Hello friends, I am Sanjeev. Welcome to SRS Info. Today on 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on the remembrance of Gandhiji's birthday. And in this video, we will discuss some MCQ questions on Gandhian era. So let us start. Before that, let us discuss this slide first. So Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, which is in Gujarat. His father was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name is Putli Bai. His wife was Kasturba Gandhi. And some of the famous books which are written by him are Hind Swaraj, which was published in 1909, My Experiment with Truth, published in 1927, and he was the editor of different magazines and newspapers. Some of them are Indian Opinion, Harijan, and Young India. So let us now start with the MCQs. The first question is, where did Gandhiji found Phoenix Farm? So he found this farm in Durban, which is in South Africa. The other three options that are Pretoria, Bloemfontein and Cape Town. These three cities are the capital of South Africa. When is Pravasi Divas celebrated? The Pravasi Divas is celebrated on 9th January every year, and on 9th January 1915, Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa. This is why Pravasi Divas is celebrated on 9th January. Which was Gandhiji's first civil disobedience movement in India? So it was Champaran movement, which took place in the year 1917. The Ahmedabad movement and Kheda movement took place in the year 1918, and the Khilafat movement took place between 1919 and 1924. When is International Non-Violence Day celebrated? So International Non-Violence Day is celebrated on 2nd October. What was the distance travelled in Dandi March? Where was Dandi March started? It was started from Sabarmati Ashram and ended at Dandi, and the distance between these two places was 250 miles. When was Pakistan Resolution passed? So the Pakistan Resolution was passed in the year 1940. Gandhi returned Kaisar-e-Hind Gold Medal as a protest against which incident? The Kaisar-e-Hind Medal was given to Gandhiji for his contribution to the ambulance service in South Africa for British, and this medal to Gandhiji was given by Lord Hardinge. So the incident because of which Gandhiji returned this medal was Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It took place on 13th April 1919. Who among the following were not the part of cabinet mission? So Lord Attlee was not the part of cabinet mission, but he was the Prime Minister of British at that time. And the other three options, that are Lord Patrick Lawrence, Stafford Cripps and A.V. Alexander, they were the part of cabinet mission. In which session of INC was Gandhiji selected as the president? So the Belgaum session of INC elected Gandhiji as their president, and the Belgaum session was the 39th session of INC. It took place in December 1924. And where is Belgaum? It is in Karnataka. Who called Gandhiji Half-Naked Saint? So the person who gave the title Half-Naked Saint to Gandhiji was Winston Churchill. Who was Mahadev Desai? He was the private secretary of Gandhiji. Subhash Chandra Bose gave Gandhiji the title Rashtrapita, which means Father of the Nation. And Rabindranath Tagore gave him the title of Mahatma, which means Saint. When did Direct Action Campaign took place? So Direct Action Campaign took place on 16th August 1946. On 3rd June 1947, the Mountbatten Plan was introduced. On 2nd September 1946, the interim government was formed, and on 9th December 1946, the Constituent Assembly was formed. It was the new charter of slavery. Whose remark was it? So it was the remark of Jawaharlal Nehru, and he gave this remark regarding the Government of India Act 1935. Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of Second Round Table Conference? So the British Prime Minister at that time was Ramsay MacDonald. And second roundtable conference was the only roundtable conference in which Mahatma Gandhi was the part. Gandhiji was influenced by the book Unto This Last. Who was the author of this? So the author of this book was John Ruskin. Do or die was the slogan for which movement? So it was the slogan for Quit India movement. When did Quit India movement take place? It took place on 8th August 1942. Here we completed our MCQ questions on Gandhian era. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.